This is a program called DotsQt, and it's primarily used for photo collage at this point. So I'm going through the buttons here on the scroll panel and demonstrating how what I call sprites work, and you can multiply them and you can rotate them and you can do all kinds of things with them. And you can also, you'll notice that select box around them, you can hide those, and now you can still move them around and still do all the things you did before. You don't have that box showing. There's also a grid you can turn on and off, and you can also add files that aren't coming from your sprite button, like I'm doing right here, and they work the same way. I've also got this thing called PixTest, used for testing purposes, which I highly recommend if you're going to do any work. Makes it a lot easier. And lastly, you've got a background button, and this will pop up whatever is in there, and you can see I can rotate it, and I can scale it, and I can also move it using the mouse, and it works just like you'd think it would. Once you set background, it's locked though, and you can't change anything, but you could always overlay it again and add another background if you're not happy with that. And if you want to, you can save it as a snapshot. And there it is. And that'll show up on your desktop or wherever you've chosen to save it to. And that's how it works. And it's free to use.